ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಜಾ ಪತ್ರ ಆರ್ ರಜಾ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 4th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಕಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನ ರಜಾ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಆರ್ ರಜಾ ಪತ್ರ ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡನ್. ಐ ಲೀವ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ವಾಚ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, then come to the exercise. Okay, and all the lessons and poems of 4th standard Kali Kannada is already completed and everything is updated in the playlist. The playlist link is available here, also in the description box. Please do check it out and follow the lessons. If you have not found out, you can just let me know in the comment section. We'll start with the today's exercise for Raja Arji or Raja Patra. So first ಏನಿದೆ, first we have ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ. In the ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ I am skipping this one ಮಕ್ಕಳ, because I have already explained all the meanings of the words while doing the lesson. But still, if you have a doubt in any words, please do let me know in the comment section so I can give you the meaning further. Next, first ಏನಿದೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿರಿ. That means fill up the blanks. Always remember the headlines. So here makla, I'll be explaining the meaning for the questions, but I expect you to write the answers on your own by searching in the lesson. First one, ಅನುಮತಿಗಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಜಾ ಅರ್ಜಿ. ಸೊ ಅನುಮತಿಗಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವಿ ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೇಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟೀಚರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೇಳದೆ ರಜೆ ಹಾಕುತ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ವೋಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ and so what is that called? So they'll just simply they'll put the leave, they won't ask anything. So what is that they want to say here? ಸೂಕ್ತ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ನೀಡಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಪತ್ರವೇ ರಜಾ ಅರ್ಜಿ. ಸೂಕ್ತ, the suitable, we give something and then we write, so that letter is called as a raja arji, the leave letter. ಪೋಷಕರ ಸಹಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. if the parent signature is there for the letter there will be something more important. So what is that actually called in Kannada? Next one, ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So they have mentioned ವಾಕ್ಯದ, so there is supposed to be ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ in, ಓಕೆನಾ? So first one, ಕೈ ಬರಹದ ಪತ್ರ ಏಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ? why there is a decrease in hand written letter? ಕೈ ಬರಹದ ಪತ್ರ ಯಾಕೆ, why? ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುವಾಗ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ವೆನ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್? ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ರಜಾ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು? ಟು ಹೂಮ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಲೀವ್ ಲೆಟರ್, ರಜಾ ಅರ್ಜಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಲಕ್ಷಣವಲ್ಲ? ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್, ಗುಡ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, good quality of a student. what is that which is not a good quality, which is a bad quality of a student? ರಜಾ ಪತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೀವ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಯಾರು ಸಹಿ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಹೂ ಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗೌರವ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹೂ ಸೈನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಆಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. 5 ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಿರಿ. Okay, you have to frame 5 sentences using the word Kannada. The first example they have given, Namma Nadu Kannada, our Nadu is Kannada. So sometimes we can also say Kannada, Nadu is nothing but Karnataka. So you can also write, say, I love Kannada, I have a Kannada language, I am learning Kannada language. So like this you can frame the sentences. I have a Kannada homework, I am doing Kannada homework. So I won't give the sentences, try ಮಾಡಿ fill the answers. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ದ ಬಿಲೋ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ 2 ಗೆರೆಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಅಂದವಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. 2 ಗೆರೆಗಳ ನಡುವೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್, ನಡುವೆ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್, ಅಂದವಾಗಿ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ದೋಸ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ from the Raja Arji exercises. We have done with the exercise for the Raja Arji. I hope it was very easy alva. Doubt is there, please do let me know, and do not forget to check the playlist for the 4th standard Kali Kannada. So thank you so much. Namaskara, dhanyawad. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.